Understanding Worn Off, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, worn off. We will delve into its meaning, usage, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, worn off, is a phrasal verb that can be used in different contexts. To warn off, someone means to advise or inform them to stay away from a particular place or to stop doing something, usually for their own safety or benefit. It's like telling someone to avoid a certain situation because it could be harmful or dangerous. Example 1. Imagine your friend is about to touch a hot stove. You might quickly say, "Hey, don't touch that, you'll burn yourself." In this case, you are warning them off touching the stove to prevent them from getting hurt. Example 2. If there is a dangerous dog in your neighborhood, you might warn off your children or your friend's children from going near it. Example 3. You can also use warn off in a more figurative sense. For example, if someone is getting involved in a business deal that you think is bad, you could warn them off by providing information on why it's a bad idea. One common mistake is confusing warn off with warn about. While warn off means advising someone to stay away, warn about means informing someone of a potential danger or problem without necessarily advising them to avoid it completely. And that's it for today's video on the phrase, worn off. We hope you now feel more confident in understanding and using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice, so try using worn off in your sentences today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.